Hello viewers, today we are with new video whose topic is continuous process versus exhaust process. We will see the difference between these two processes. The continuous process is a time efficient process that continue to occur without any machine stoppage. Once the batcher has loaded in front of continuous machine and the machine parameter has set, then processing of the fabric continue to occur without any machine stoppage. It results in maximum production of the fabric. The results are better. In case of exhaust process, the exhaust process is a time consuming process that occur in multiple steps with machine stoppage. Once the batcher has loaded and process start, then you have to change the trough chemicals and the direction of rotation of fabric manually. Like if we talk about dyeing in jigger, after dyeing, for neutralizing, rinsing and washing of the fabric, you have to change the trough chemicals and direction of rotation of fabric manually. So it is a hectic job. In the last, if we do a comparison between these two processes, then we can say that the size of machines of exhaust process are comparatively small than continuous process. So all those steps that occur in a single processing, you have to manage all those steps on a single exhaust machine which is small in size. So it become a hectic to perform these steps again and again on a single small size machine. But one advantage of this exhaust process is that the fabric find a maximum dwell time and the fabric find a maximum reaction time due to which desired results come. But you cannot say that in case of continuous process the results are not desirable. Yes, by optimizing the machine parameters, by optimizing the process recipes, we now are able to get a maximum production in continuous machine and optimize the result in case of continuous machine. Hope so you have find something new to learn from this video.